Snow is drifting down the old high street, lanterns glowing where the neighbors meet, voices laughing in the frosty air. It's Christmas time and every heart is there. From near and far we all come back again to share a story with an old best friend. Round the fire where the kettles sing, we find the joy that simple living brings. So gather close, let the warm light shine. Leave the winter worries far behind. There's nothing sweeter in this whole wide world than friends and family round the hearth and fern. Children running past the Christmas tree, Granddad smiling at the memories, Mums and dads with a festive cheer. It's moments like these we hold most dear. The world outside may turn and twist, but nights like this are the ones we've missed. A gentle hope fills every quiet room, that peace and kindness still have space to bloom. So gather close, let the warm light shine. Leave the winter worries far behind. There's nothing sweeter in this whole wide world than friends and family round the hearth and fern. And as the bells ring out across the town, we raise a glass as the snow falls down, for every friendship old and new, and days ahead where goodwill carries through. So gather close, let the warm light shine.